Good morning guys, it's AT. What's up you guys? So right now you guys, I'm just heading to work, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm just making sure I have everything ready for work. So that's what I've been doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I go to work.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do. It's Go Dogs for One.
So I am actually at work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work.
Hey guys, so I'm just heading home, you guys. I'm just gonna go for a walk with my dad. So that's what I'm doing. So it was crazy busy, you guys. There was one girl that had a cart over lots of items, you guys. But it was like every single item that she had was a price override. It's like, oh man. But I made some mistakes on her order by mistake, and it's like, oh man. But we got that corrected, so that's kind of good. But she saved at least $200 because of the price match. So yeah, so it's pretty amazing, really fun. Being on cash can be difficult, you guys, because there's a lot of stuff we have to dig it through, so it's like, oh, so much, but it's okay, you guys, because sometimes just, if you're doing price overage, please, if you see me in store, please do not come to my till. Like, I would not recommend it, because I'm not very comfortable doing price overage matches, but she saved a lot of money in the long future, so I don't blame her, because you can save a lot of money if you do price matches, if you're really into that. But most people just pay as is because it's easier like that. So yeah, so please do not come price match if you don't want to be so slow. But so I'm just heading home, so I'll talk to you guys when I get home. So I'm just at my parents' place. We are going for a walk, so that's what we're doing. So I'll talk to you guys when we go for a walk. Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are making some apple pie ice cream. Yeah, we're gonna try making an apple pie ice cream, you guys. Try to. I don't know how you do it, but I got a recipe off the internet, so hopefully it tastes good. Hopefully. Cross my fingers. I do not know how it's gonna taste, so that's what I'm gonna be trying to do. Woo! Cinnamony! Yeah, cinnamon. Really cinnamony. Wow! Woohoo! Smells good. So there's the apple ice cream. I just have to let that sit for a few minutes before I put it in the bag, because I'm not going to put the hot stuff on the bag, so that's what I'm going to be doing. This is the apple pie ice cream. So I'm done making the apple pie ice cream, you guys. Yes, that's what we did today, so that's pretty cool and exciting, you guys. So it's relaxing, you guys. So right now I'm just gonna be relaxing right now a little bit, so that's the plan, you guys. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done relaxing. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.